Hello ladies, this is Constance. Welcome to my channel. My channel is about fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And if this is your first time stopping by, I hope you enjoy the content. And if you do, consider subscribing. Hit the like button and the notification bell. This way you will be alerted every time I upload a video. In today's video, I am going to show you some Easter inspired outfits that you can wear to church, to brunch, and a date night with your significant other. I have on an outfit that can be worn to church. Simple reason is because most people don't dress up to go to church anymore. However, you may see a few people come dressed up for Easter. Also, you can wear this outfit for brunch. The outfit that I have on is a blue bodysuit that I picked up from Amazon. The belt is from Louis Vuitton. The skirt, I'm not sure where I got it from, but I'll link it in the description box. My shoes are from Stuart Weitzman, and the bag that I will carry is this bag from Louis Vuitton. Now, if this is something that you are interested in, just keep on watching.